How to change the draft order on NFL Fantasy. Firstly, open NFL Fantasy on your web browser. Make sure you are logged in or signed up to your account. Once you do that, then you will land to the home page. If you don't land here, then at the top left corner, you will see the NFL Fantasy logo. Simply click on that and you will land here. At the very top section, you will see your fantasy league. There are two sections, Fantasy Spartan AXN and DAWSON. Click on the league option on DAWSON. Now you will land to this kind of interface. Here at the very top panel, you will see different kind of options. Select the one that says Draft Info. Inside Draft Info, you will see all your team members. To edit them, you need to scroll down to the very bottom. At the bottom, you will see the option Edit Draft Order. Then you will land to the Manage page. Now you can simply tap and hold on the team and drag it wherever you like. After setting up the order, scroll down again and click on the Submit option. Once you have done that, then you have successfully changed the draft order. That's all for today. Thank you.